Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I don't have a recall video today, which is a big shock, I know. But I have some new information that will make you see how this auto industry is going. And it's a big change that Honda is announcing. And I thought it was an interesting move that they're going to implement as early as this coming year. So let me go ahead and share exactly what they just announced and see what you guys think about it. So if you guys remember buying Hondas before, you'd always look for the J on the VIN number, and that would tell you that it was built in Japan. I remember when I was buying my first few Hondas, I'd always look for one with the J VIN instead of the H, and they were just better built cars. You could always tell they had less problems, the gaps were better on them, just overall. And then they slowly went away from importing the cars from Japan, and then they became just strictly US built. But Honda has just announced that they're thinking about implementing reverse imports. What that basically is instead of like they used to build some of the Hondas in Japan, then they would ship them over to the United States, and then that would be the ones that people are always looking for. We know that doesn't happen anymore. But now Honda is going to send some of their US built cars back to Japan. So far Honda said that they're wanting to take the US built Ridgeline and the Passport to start and send it to the Japanese market. And this won't be the only thing. Acura's electric vehicles will follow the same suit and be built in the United States and then shipped to Japan. And this has all started because of tariffs. So instead of paying a tariff to bring things over, now they're going to ship things to Japan so they could sell them there. And before it was a lot of work to get that done, but now regulations are going to be put into place that make it a lot smoother of a process. So the Japan's transport ministry is looking at a plan that would let the US cars to be sold in Japan with just simple paperwork. That would skip all the extra tests that are in place right now to do so. And we know by making it simpler, it also means it saves the money. That's the kind of the main reason why they're doing this. And Honda's not the only one that's looking to do this. It's also confirmed that Toyota and Nissan are also going to bring US built cars and ship them to Japan as well. So it seems like Japan built vehicles are getting few and few. In fact, pretty soon there probably won't be any. I know the Lexus IS was built in Japan, so that could change too. And it's just showing you the way the market's going. If it's cheaper to build them here and ship them overseas, that's kind of where they're going to go with this. So it seems like that's the way the market's going, and it's all to avoid paying these huge tariffs, which in turn makes it more expensive for the consumer too. So it seems like Honda's getting their hand in another way to make some extra revenue and avoid all these costs that get put on top of that as well. So I just thought it was interesting that, like I said, it's not just Honda, Toyota and Nissan are got to do it too. And they said it could be as quick as this coming year. So we're almost in the new year. So it could be this year that you start seeing them do that. So not sure if that'll make more problems for the ones they build here just because they're ramping up their production to supply the Japanese market as well. But time will tell if things get even worse, because we know that these new cars nowadays, there's a lot of issues with them. So again, I just wanted to bring this to your attention. Thought it was interesting. Let me know what you guys' thoughts on that. You think it's a good thing for Honda? They're going to build the US cars and ship them to Japan? I'd like to hear what you guys have to say. So again, I appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.